why it is beneficial to invest in learning the Dutch language.
Hi, my name is Annelie Poker from Dutch for Doctors. I'm here the language teacher, and today I invited Divya Puri from India, a dentist, and she will tell us today something about the costs of the classes. She will tell us if it's really worth it. So, hi Divya.
Hello guys, I am Divya. I stay in Netherlands for last 1 year and I am taking lessons with Annelie since past 1 year. And yeah, we are talking here today about to you about our classes. India. Like I am an Indian, I came out from India. So yeah, when I saw the prices here, I was also confused. I was in doubt. Oh, it is expensive. And how can I pay it in a one go? How can I develop a trust? And how can I believe that it will go for 1 year? You also have, because I also come from the same country. So and in India, I know that we pay after every 3 months or a year, or sometimes after 6 months when we give our exam, then coming to the next level. So yeah, I understand your point that why it is, but you have to understand that there is number one a cultural difference in India and in Europe. Here, everything we do is already was already paid beforehand. Number two, you are getting private lessons, and it is a luxury in Europe that you are getting one-on-one lessons with your teacher, and your teacher is explaining and giving her time specifically to you, and it is dedicated to you. So it will come with a cost. Nothing is free of cost here. Third thing is that you are getting study material for yourself. She is giving it all, everything is printed and it is given in a very beautiful books. And you get it before, like once you complete a book, before it goes to the end, I receive the next book. And she's paying also the taxes over that. She's also paying the shipping cost, that because I am not paying that, she is paying. And it's not like she stays in Germany, I stay in Netherlands. It's not like everything is coming to me free of cost. So she takes care of those expenses also. She's running her own business. She have a lot of taxes to pay here, because taxes here and in India, they are incomparable. So yeah, I'm taking all these considerations, and for 1 year, like for me, it is more than a year that I'm with Annelie, but I never faced any problem. She never said no to me for arranging any class, and she explains to me every time if I ask questions. So I don't think paying in advance is have been a bad part for me. She helped me with my CV making, with my job finding. These are not her responsibilities, but still she is helping me out because she understands I am not from Europe. So it will be difficult for me to make connections with people. So when the teacher is doing so much of efforts, then at least it's the least we can do is we can pay her the amount which she actually deserves. So I think you should consider, and you should not have a double thought, because obviously you are paying for the services you will be getting, and it is all right the same. Like if you order a TV, we always pay in advance. Only then we get a TV in India. So it is like a luxury. We want a TV, we pay for it, and we get it. Similarly, we need knowledge. We need to learn the language, so we pay for it. Simple.
Yeah, but we have seen there are other classes on the market, group classes, and they are less expensive.
So they are cheap, they are good coop. But if we think like I am learning Dutch, if the people in the group can be out of Europa, mostly the people are from Europe countries, and I am from India. So when I learn in a group, number one, I am a bit shy. The language will go on, the teacher will go on, but I may not be able to completely understand what it means, what they want to tell. Because number one, I don't know the culture, I don't know the accent, and I don't know that how frequently the activities are done. Like I speak to a lot of people. I went to Tal Cafe. So every person have their own pace, at their own speed, and their own understanding of everything. Maybe all the people in the group are not at my level. Maybe I am much behind them. And if I keep on going in group lessons, maybe in the half of the course, I will feel like I don't understand anything, I don't get it. And then I leave it, and then I again try for private lessons. Then you will pay double. So, in that way, group lessons are sometimes bit difficult. Second is you cannot ask one-on-one questions with your teacher. Like when I started learning, I had a lot of questions, a lot of things I don't understand in one go. So I can request my teacher to repeat it for me, to give me separate exercises so that I can understand. But with a group, it becomes difficult. Teacher, you may ask a question, the teacher may explain you once or maybe twice, but she can't explaining you. She can't keep explaining you again and again because it is not important for the other friends because other people in the group they understood it. So I think in a group, you will never be able to completely understand a language and completely be in depth with the language. So, group lessons may be cheap, but they are not always for every person. Every person cannot understand in a group lesson.
And maybe because it's medical, is it maybe also explaining the price? Because it's a specific
It is
language?
course. It is a specific course for because here, if I say in Netherlands, I stay in Netherlands. There are a lot of I have seen when I also joined. I have seen there are a lot of like what do I say municipality arranged courses also by which are a lot way more cheaper than you can even think. And then there are prevalence also, like we have for Dutch for doctors. So what I saw is that when we go to the simple municipality courses or the cheap courses, they are not bad. I'm not saying they are bad, but they are not content specific. That means they will tell you, they will groom you generally how it is about their grammar. They will maybe teach you for one level till A1 to like I don't know. So I was at A0. So maybe they can tell you from A0 to A2. Then you give an exam, then you go to the next level. But there you will not learn any medical word. But when I learned with Emily in a private class, from day one, I was learning dental words because I am a dentist. From day one, I started my journey with dentistry. That is always interesting. That makes my journey easy. So yes, content affects a lot. And when I study with a medical specific teachers, it helps to develop your interest in the language also. So yeah, and medical is expensive. Just without thinking where you are getting the medical training from, be it from India, be it from here, but anywhere you go in the world, medical is expensive. And you want to learn medical language and you are learning a language, you are doing two different things. And then also you cannot pay. That doesn't make a sense.
Thank you very much for sharing your experiences. And we hope to see you soon, Ilya.
Yeah. Bye everyone. Hope to see you soon again.